Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to earn money on Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. And after doing that, it's going to go ahead and open up the main page right here where you can go ahead and sign into your account. So guys, to be able to get started earning money, you need to go ahead and sign up for an account. And you can do that by clicking the sign in button right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to enter in your info and get started with logging in. So after you have logged in, now you'll be back at this home page right here and you can get started. So guys, there are multiple ways to earn money on Indeed. And obviously the main way is to find a job, but there are different types of jobs that you can find, and it's important to find the one that suits you the most. So guys, what you can do to be able to get started earning money is start finding jobs that you want to use. So here is where you enter at the main page where you get started with entering the info you want to find. Let's say you want to find something, you want a job that is either hiring immediately or is maybe part-time, or it is working from home, full-time, remote, doesn't matter guys. You can enter engineer or you can enter anything you want, part-time, doesn't matter. Enter what you want guys. So this is what you want to find and you can select the location where you want to find it. I'm going to select New York and click on search. And after doing that guys, now you can see it's going to show us all the part-time jobs in New York. Right here, as you can see, there is over 45,000 jobs, and you can just go ahead and list down and find the jobs that you want to use. So you can find a job that you need, and after finding a job that you want to apply at, go ahead guys and enter in to apply. You can click on apply on company site. After clicking on the job, click on the apply on company site, and that is how to find a job on Indeed and start making money. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.